Hi students of class 6 Rose and Jasmine, welcome to our GK video class. Today we complete the chapter of unit 2, last two chapters. The name of the chapters are Body Temple and the World of Theatre. Okay, page number 22, 23 and 24. Okay, so everybody take out your book and let's start. Okay students, let's start Body Temple, page number 22. Surya Namaskar. Without the sun, there will be no life on earth. Surya Namaskar or Surya Sun Salutation is a very ancient technique of paying respect or expressing gratitude to the sun, that is the source of all form of life on our planet, right? The solar plexus located behind the navel, which is the central point of the human body, also known as the second brain, is said to be connected to the sun. This is the main reason why the ancient rishis recommended the practice of Surya Namaskar, because the regular practice of this technique enhance the solar plexus, which increase our creativity and instructive abilities, right? Surya Namaskar consists of a series of 12 positions that flow in a circle. This is the circle of 12 position. Okay. Perform correctly, this cycle of exercise increase flexibility, regulates breathing, improve health and focus the mind. Okay. So let's start. Fill up the blanks with the correct words from the box. Okay. Number 1. Each posture of physical movement in yoga is called an asana. A-S-A-N-A. Each posture or physical movement in yoga is called as asana. A-S-A-N-A. Move to the number 2. Dhanurasana involve a complete backward bend. The asana derives its name from the Sanskrit word for bow, B-O-W, bow. This is the Sanskrit word. Okay. Next, number 3. The earliest mention of yoga is found on the stone seals found at the excavation sites in Harappa. The answer is Harappa. H-A-R-A-P-P-A. Excavation. Okay. The earliest mention of yoga is found on the stone seals found at the excavation sites in Harappa. Number 4. The word yoga is derived from the Sanskrit word yuj, which means to unite. The answer is Sanskrit. S-N-A-S-K-R-I-T. Sanskrit word is yuj, Y-U-J. Okay. Move to the number 5. The basic cross-legged sitting posture is called the Padmasana. The word Padma means lotus in Sanskrit. Lotus. The answer is lotus. L-O-T-U-S. Okay. We all know that about Padmasana, right? Number 6. The method of breath control that is an important part of yoga is called pranayama. P-R-A-N-A-Y-A-M-A. Pranayama. Okay. Number 7. Many yoga positions, the Mayurasana and Matsyasana, take their names from the names of animals like Mayur, Matsya. Like Mayur means peacock and the Matsya is fish. Okay. In the names of animals. The right answer is animals. Number 8. A difficult posture which involves standing on one's head is called the Shirshasana. This is called the Shirshasana. 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 Okay. Next, number 9. Including posture and breath control, there are dash different disciplines that make up yoga. The answer is 8. EIGST. Number 10. The system of yoga was developed in ancient times by great philosopher Patanjali. The name of the philosopher is Patanjali. 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 Okay. 11. Someone who has mastered the various physical, mental and spiritual aspects of yoga is called a yogi. Y-O-G-I. Number 12. A well-known posture that involves lying down with arms and legs outstretched and palms facing upwards, which promotes relaxation and peace, is the Shavasana. Shavasana is the Shavasana. Shavasana. Okay, so move to the next chapter. Okay, students, let's start the world of theatre, today's last chapter and also the last chapter of unit 2. Right? Read these facts related to theatre. Ancient Greek audience stamped their feet rather than clapping their hand to applaud. Okay. This is the important World Theatre Day, has been held on March 27 every year since 1962. Okay. The longest continuous dramatic performance was 23 hours, 33 minutes, 54 seconds. The oldest play still in existence is The Persian by Aeschylus, written in 472 BC. Okay. Now come to the next part. Here are some words that are related to action and actor in a theatre. Match this theatre word which their descriptions. Okay. So number 1, lead. What is the meaning of lead? See the eye. The main important actor or character in a play or film. Okay. The eye is the one is match the eye. Okay. Next, number 2, romance. Romance is related to number option H. An existing and often short relationship between two people who love each other. This is the romance. The 2 is H. Okay. Film star. Number 3 is film star. See the point F. A famous actor or actress who acts in film. Okay, this is the number 3. 4 is drama. Where the drama? Yes, G. A play for the theatre and television and radio, etc. A play for the theatre, television, radio, etc. etc. is number 4. The 4 is related to G. Okay. Next, 5, cast. See the option D. All people who act in a play for film. All people who act in a play for film is number 5. So 5 is related to D. Next, number 6, play. See the option A. A story that is written to be performed by actors, especially in a theatre, is number 6. Right? Number 7, suspense. This is a very well known matter. Suspense is number J. A feeling of excitement or anxiety when you are eager to know what is doing to happen next. That is suspense. So number 7 is last, number J. 8. Action. Action is E. Exciting scenes in which people fight, crash and kill one another. Chase and kill one another. Exciting scenes in which people fight, chase and kill one another. This is fight. Action is number 9. 8 is number 8. Okay. So number 8 is action is related to number E. Okay. Next, number 9, stirred. Stir it's where the stir is C. Number B, a famous actor or actress in a play or in a film. A famous actor or actress in a play or in a film. Okay. So number 9 is related to B. Let's last number 10, coaster. The one is left is number C. One of the two or more actors who are equally important in a play or a film. It's number 10. Okay. So that's it. Everybody take care and bye bye.